Alrighty guys, so we were just talking about I see the sparks fly. We're going to drag the back of our right hand across our eyes. I see the sparks fly. I'm going to worm with my right hand, the sparks fly. And I want to make sure that I have it down enough so it's not in front of my face so that the audience can still see my face. So I go, I see the sparks fly, done my little worm. Then he's going to say, and every time you blush, you're going to bring your right hand, you're going to circle it around above your head every time you blush. And I'm going to go and make a tabletop, connecting my right hand with my left hand. So I've just gone, every time I see the sparks fly, and every time you blush, taking my hand that's here, circling it around above my head, and connecting. I'm clicking those fingers together. And every time you blush, he's going to say, I feel those. I'm going to put my hands across my chest and sort of make a little butterfly with my hands. Just like that. On, I feel those, and he's going to say butterflies. We're going to pop forward. Butterflies. Cool. So I've gone that, butterflies, and then he's going to say, and baby, how we feel. Then when he says, and baby, I'm going to take my right hand, tap my left shoulder, and baby, how we feel. Then he's going to say, we'll always be in style. So we're going to go and grab our shirt, because it's kind of like we're in our stylish clothes. We're here, and we're going to do a little bit of a happy feet, our little happy feet. Bop, 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 bop. So all I'm doing with my feet is I'm coming up on my toes, kind of similar to car wash, and I'm going to flick my feet one at a time. Flick, 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 flick. So when I add the arms to that, it's for we'll always be in style. We've done all the other things, and now we're up to we'll forever be in style. We're going to flick, 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 flick. Then he's going to say, forever and ever. All of my boys are going to take their hands and show it like you're showing the audience. And we're going to do that when he says, forever and ever. So we've gone from our clothes, forever be in style, forever and ever. Now we're going to go into a little bit of a formation change. So we'll pause right there, because I got to set up the other bunch of dots.